Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to walk through the complete process of using the Server 360 form filling auto typing software. This tool is an absolute game changer when it comes to automating repetitive data entry tasks and increasing your productivity. So, let's get started right away. First, we begin by opening the images that have been provided by the data entry project. Let's go through these images one by one. As we review them, make sure to take note of the structure and the type of information provided. It's important to understand the format before converting the data. Now, let's move on to the next step. We take this information from the images and convert it into a clean and well-formatted Excel sheet. Be sure to follow all the formatting guidelines given by the company. This includes font size, capitalization, spacing, and the correct order of fields. Once your Excel sheet is perfectly structured, we are ready to automate. Now, launch the Amen Auto Form Filling software. This software works perfectly with Server 360, making the entire automation process smooth and efficient. Inside the Auto Form Filling software, select the appropriate pattern or template that matches the server's form layout. Then, upload the Excel sheet that we just created from the image data. After that, log into your Server 360 data entry panel. This is where the actual form filling will take place. Once logged in, go back to the auto typing software, click on the first form number, and then hit Begin. Now, place your cursor in the correct input field on the Server 360 form filling software and just leave it there. You don't need to do anything else, the software takes care of the rest. You'll see the form being filled out automatically, line by line, word by word, exactly as per the pattern defined and the data provided in the Excel file. This is the power of Server 360 Auto Typer software. It doesn't just type for you, it types accurately, with the proper speed and formatting, without the risk of human error. And once the form is complete, the automation pauses or stops as needed, allowing you to move to the next form at your own pace. Let's talk a bit more about the advantages of this system. With the Server 360 form filling automation software, your job becomes more about reviewing and managing data than typing it. Plus, you can always adjust the speed and flow depending on your project's needs, which gives you complete control over how the software behaves. To sum it up, the Server 360 form filling auto typing software takes care of the typing process. The Server 360 Auto Typer software helps you work faster and more precisely. The Server 360 Auto Form Filling software ensures your forms are filled exactly as required. And the Server 360 Form Filling automation software transforms your workflow and boosts overall efficiency. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from using the Server 360 Auto Form Filler software.